Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I would like to say thank you to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because of His guidance, blessing, and mercy, so I can finish my research paper. Then I would like to say thank you to my supervisor, Miss Lilis Suryani MPD, as my first supervisor, and my second supervisor, Mr. Haider Shahri MPD, who have given me guidance and support so I can finish this research paper. Before we going out to the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Linda Nurdiana. I am a student from A3 class 2018 in English Education Study Program, Faculty of Language Education, IKIP Siliwangi 2022. This video is made for the requirements of student final examination for Sarjana Pendidikan Degree in English Education. So here are the presentation outline. The first one, there is a background of the research, and then objective of the research methodology, the result of the research, and the last is conclusion. Now I would like to explain about the background of the research. In ideal condition, according to Purwanto 1997, teaching materials are materials that are arranged systematically and used by the teachers and students in the learning process. Teaching materials are materials to help a teacher or tutor carry out the classroom in learning process. Teaching materials are systematically arranged to assist teacher in carrying out teaching and learning activities with students, so the material can be delivered properly and correctly. But in current condition, prove that the books or teaching materials used by students when learning still lack of the characteristic in several aspects, such as language, content, design, and the presentation. The teaching materials used are quite limited, even though the books on materials are indeed books issued by the Ministry of Education and Culture. So the solution is the researchers want developing recount text through project-based learning using picture series in teaching writing skill to 8th grade junior high school. So here is the objective of the research. The first one is to describe the process and the result of recount text material to project-based learning. Through project-based learning using picture series in teaching writing skill to 8th grade junior high school. Second, to discuss the feasibility of the recount text material through project-based learning using picture series in teaching writing skill to 8th grade junior high school. And the third is to investigate and analyze the teachers and the student responses regarding the recount text material through project-based learning using picture series in teaching writing skill to 8th grade junior high school. And the last is to explain and analyze the obstacle that researchers find in developing recount text material through project-based learning using picture series in teaching writing skill to 8th grade junior high school. Now we move to next slide is research methodology. First, research method. Research and development (R&D) are used in this research to develop and verify educational products. Second is research design. The research design is adapted from Borg and Gall 1983 with 7 steps. There is a research and information collecting, planning, develop a preliminary form of product, preliminary field testing, main product revision, main field testing, and final product revision. Actually, in Borg and Gall model, there are 10 steps of R&D model, but because the researcher had a limited time, so the researcher just used 7 steps. Now is subject of the research. The research conducted this The researcher conducted the research at junior high school in Chilin, specifically in SMP plus Arapah. The research samples are 25 students in 8 grade class. The research instrument of this research is use observation, interview, validation sheet, and questionnaire. For the data collection technique, same as a research instrument, there is observation, interview, validation sheet, and questionnaire. And for the data analysis, these research are employed both quantitative and qualitative data analysis technique. So here are the results. There are 7 pages in this result. The first one is the process of developing recount text through project-based learning using picture series in teaching writing skill to 8th grade junior high school. The first step is research in information collection or collecting. In this step, the researchers conducted need analysis from the documents that researchers get from the internet. And then for the planning, the researchers conduct a preliminary study on the student by giving a prepared questionnaire. And then the next stage is develop preliminary form of the product. In this section, the researchers begin to design any components of the materials that will be included in the teaching materials or in the products. Of course, in this step is carried out according to the needs of students who have already filled the questionnaire. Next is a preliminary field testing. In this step, the researchers conducted a limited test for several students. The students were given a questionnaire containing student responses to the teaching materials or to the products. Next is main product revision. In this section, the researchers make improvements or a revision to the product. This improvement was carried out based on the student response from the questionnaire to the product that the researcher got from the student and teachers at school. Next is main field testing. In this section, the 25 students were given a questionnaire from the researcher. There are several indicators in this questionnaire that were analyzed. And last is operational product revision. Improving the result of main field testing so that the product developed is already an operational model designed to be validated. In this last stage, the result from the main field testing turned out to be a suggestion for the revising the product. Here is the final product. As you can see, there are a cover, a table of contents, a statement, a purpose of learning, and the activity of this product. Now we move to the feasibility of developing recount text through project-based learning using picture series in teaching writing skill to 8th grade junior high school. First is validation. There are three validators in this research. First is validator 1. Validator 1 is the first supervisor in this research. Second, validator 2 is the second supervisor in this research, and the third validator is the English teacher. As you can see in the table, from the validator 1, this product is get 77% percentage with the fair criteria, and from the second validator get 78% with the fair criteria, and from the third validator gets a percentage 90% with a valid criteria. The result show that the product validation from validator 1 and 2 is 77 and 78, indicating that the product can be used with minor revision, while the teacher's validation result was in 90%. That means the product could be used without revision. The second feasibility is the student responses. There are two stages in this section. The first one is preliminary field testing, with percentage is 87.3% with a very good category, and for the main field testing is 86% with a very good category. The result of a preliminary field testing given to 15 students were get a very good category, and the result of the main field testing is given to the 25 students with a very good category. So that means the product is very good for teaching students how to write recount text. Next is the teacher response. In the teacher response, there are four aspects that had been analyzed. The first one is content with a percentage 97% with a very good category, and for a language aspect is 88% with a very good category, and for the presentation aspect is 91% with a very good category, and the last is the graphic gets 100% for a very good category. So the result showed that the product gets a high percentage in all aspects. Now we move to the obstacle of developing recount text through project-based learning using picture series in teaching writing skill to 8th grade junior high school. First, the researcher had failed to communicate with the teachers about the research schedule. Second, the researcher had difficulty collecting students when conducting a preliminary research. And then the researcher struggled with creating appropriate materials for 8th grade class. And the last is because the time was limited, the teachers and researchers did not communicate truly before conducting preliminary field testing, and main field testing. So now we finally in a last section in this presentation, there is a conclusion. The first one is the context material through project-based learning using picture series in teaching writing skills to 8th grade junior high school has been developed by using 7 steps of Borg and Gall model. Second, the context material through project-based learning using picture series in teaching writing skills to 8th grade junior high school is been feasible and can be used at school. And the third is the student and teachers' responses to the product are very good category. So this means the product can be used at school. And the last is in the process in developing the product, there are several obstacles faced by the researchers, but it can be handled well. So I think that's all from me from this explanation of the research. Thank you for all the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.